Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever uploaded a featured image to your WordPress post and it looked too big, too small, or just off, don't worry. Today's video has you covered. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the featured image size in WordPress, step by step, without needing any coding experience. So stick around till the end, because I'll also share a quick pro tip to make your images look perfectly aligned on every device. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress account. Open your browser, head over to your WordPress site, and click on the login button at the top right corner. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in. The easiest and most secure way is to click Continue with Google. Then just select the Google account that's linked with your WordPress website, and you'll be logged in instantly. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Posts. This section shows all your published and draft articles. Now, pick the post where you want to adjust the featured image size and click Edit. Inside the post editor, glance over to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see the featured image option. Click on it and the media library will pop up, showing all your uploaded images. Now, select the featured image you want to resize. Once it's highlighted, click Edit Image. Here, WordPress gives you a few handy tools. You can crop, scale, or even rotate your image directly. To adjust the size, find the Scale Image section. You'll see width and height boxes. Simply type in the new size you want. WordPress will automatically maintain the aspect ratio so your image doesn't stretch or look distorted. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, scroll down and click Save to apply your changes, then hit Update or Publish on your post, and boom, your resized featured image will now appear perfectly on your website. And that's it. You've just learned how to change and resize your featured image in WordPress the right way. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more customization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.